Here's how to create a progress report in Excel like this. First, let's customize the Developer tab. Click the arrow in the Access toolbar, choose More Commands, then click Customize ribbon, and select the Developer tab. If you already have this tab in your Excel, you don't need to do this step. Then click OK. Now, the Developer tab is part of our ribbon. Next, go to the Developer tab, click Insert, choose Checkbox in the Form Controls, and delete these words. Make adjustments in your cell to calculate the desired result. Then copy the checkbox down to where you want to display your data. Next, hover your mouse over the checkbox, right-click, and choose Format Control. In the Control section, ignore the values as they will be automatically determined. The important part is the cell link, where we can link our formula. In the cell link, click the cell where your checkbox is located and click OK. Apply the same process to the other checkboxes. If you're wondering why I didn't copy the first one instead of applying the process again, it's because if I copy the checkbox with the formula already, the formula will still be the same as the first one. Now, if you check this box, you will see the word true, and if you uncheck it, it will show false. If you want to hide it, you can change the font color. Just highlight your checkbox, go to the font section, and change the font color. I'm going to choose this color. Now, the words true and false are not showing anymore. Next, let's create a formula for our progress bar using the average function. Go to the Home tab. Make sure your mouse is in the cell for the progress bar. Go to Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. In the Format Style, choose Data Bar. In the Minimum Type, choose Number and change it to 1. Then choose the color of your bar. You can choose any of them and click OK. Here, change the number to a percentage. Now, if you click the checkboxes, the progress bar will be created. If you know another way to create a progress bar in Excel, please comment down below. Your contribution would be highly appreciated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it and follow my Facebook page for more Excel tutorials.